I could route us through White House to get where we're going. Take a certain little back roads, I like to call it green.
Yeah,
but
we could.
You've already got the route. You've already got the route.
Yeah, this has got a new back road that I don't know if we've done that leads us in the same direction.
Where?
Sandy Valley? Do you know of this road?
Nope. So the last couple times me and the wife have gone to Gallatin. Oh, hang on. Praise Jesus, boys. Last couple times we've gone, there's this road we passed, and I was like, God bless, every time I see this, I think of me and you and riding, and we need to go hit it because it's called St. Blaise.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's a good road or not, but just because it's called St. Blaise Road, I kind of want to go rip it up.
You want to go blaze this motherfucker?
That's what I'm saying. So we got to, at some point, go hit that road.
St. Doug and St. Bone are going to go hit St. Blaise.
St. Bone, baby.
Stop that.
No.
I'm trying to get the female viewer.
Quit. I got a stanky leg. I can't do nothing with it, dude. Look, it's stanking. Stanking on me. See, I got no control. The leg gets stanking. What are you going to do? I've got working side markers, I think, for the first time since I've had this bike.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
You know, there's a certain fucking irony in that license plate right there. And I don't think most people that get it realize it. So, do you see their plate? You know what it is?
Don't tread on me?
Yeah, the Gadsden flag, right?
Yeah.
So what's the message there? Don't tread on me, right? Telling the government, leave me the fuck alone.
Right.
So what better way to get that message across than pay the government to say it?
Right.
Those are license plates that you had to pay extra money for to tell them not to tread on you. Are you what? That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, come on. I mean, I can't say shit. The reason I thought about it is because I have one of those plates on my truck. And I got to thinking one day, I think it was an idea I had in the shower or something. I was like, bro, what the? Wait a minute, something's off here. Why did I do that? At least Jeep's trying not to go slow. I'll give him credit for that. Oh, that's cool. I love sitting in line. Good job. Oh, this guy's a devil dog. Yeah, dude. Yeah, devil dog.
None of you guys go left.
Are we going left?
We're going to take a right, but then we're going to take a left.
Sending it. First left?
Yes. This is called Sandy Valley.
I've seen this road every day of my life, basically.
We're going to be on it for 2.1 miles.
We got it. We got it. Road though, be careful.
And one of those cars did turn down this way.
Edge! What?
Alright, we're actually not going to turn. We're going to continue straight onto Brinkley Bridge.
On the what?
Brinkley Bridge.
Edge! Oh yeah, Mr. GP up here, a little minivan. Scooting and booting, son. So, Mr. Nug, I would like to thank you for all the help yesterday in putting up with my shitty attitude, lack of emotional control, and just overall disregard for anybody else's good time other than mine.
Yeah, no worries. I didn't do it for you, I did it for the viewers.
You!
I'm just kidding. But they're gonna like that.
They might.
Maybe.
They might not.
Maybe.
And if
They're gonna
they
be like,
don't,
he's so rude. He's such an asshole.
yeah.
Doug, I don't like that guy.
Bones pouring his heart out to you, and you just stun him. You're a terrible friend. Oh my god. Something like that.
Yeah.
Look at the flag though, and the fucking stripes, boy. That is a pretty yard. That's how you know you're getting old, dude. When you stop to look at some stripes in the grass. What have I, like Johnny Cash said, bro, what have I become, my sweetest friend?
Oh, yeah.
Those are good looking stripes. Jesus, got the diamonds in them bitches.
Alright, we should be coming up on our Brinkley Branch. Continue straight.
Okay.
Might not even change roads or change or anything. It didn't look like it on the maps. It might just become Brinkley Branch. If it does, we got 2 miles to continue.
Yeah, that's Mount
this
Olivet.
is it. Yeah, here we are. Brinkley Branch.
Oh, we're going straight?
You're straight ahead.
Oh.
I said that like 6 times.
I know, and then you said, oh, here we are.
Yeah, here we are.
Right here we are right here. When I hear right here and there's a right turn, I'm thinking we're taking a right here.
I got you. No, straight ahead. Look at the
Ducks!
Them ducks didn't give no fucks.
No, from the ducks. New song incoming, Paul. I can
No
have a
ducks.
no from the ducks.
The ducks.
No from the ducks. It's gonna be a Limp Bizkit style song.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We come up with a
This ducks are loud.
freaky little bass lick, and we'll be on it.
I can improvise some West Portland style guitars. See what we can get going.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Guitar. West Portland was a guitarist, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was. Bridge. Road look.
Man, look at all this. And homeboy's throwing up the dust.
Right?
Woo! Straight ahead. Willow. Yeah, when we get to the end of this, we'll be turning left on Upper Station Camp. Should have about a mile left to go.
Hey, we should get some longhorns on film today. If we're going through, if we're going to Bug Hollow, we should. Yeah, dude, this thing, honest, like it's wild.
We
What?
might not, because we come out right there at Bug Hollow.
Yeah, that's fine, but you still got to cross off of Old Station Camp. You got to hang it right, don't you?
Yes, on the 25.
And then you got to drive right past in Longhorns.
Yeah,
and then
it's
take
only-
a left onto Bug Hollow.
It's only half a mile though. We're taking a left.
Yeah, I know, because I was just on Bug Hollow like a week or two ago, and I saw where. All right, we're clear. Yeah, I seen where this, like, it blew my mind. I hit it from the other end,